In today's video, I'm going to teach you setting tab stops in Google Docs. By the end, you'll know how to place precise tab stops on the ruler, move or remove them with confidence, and use the tab key to align your text exactly where you want it. This is especially helpful for creating clean lists, simple columns, or neatly formatted headings without wrestling with spaces. First, look at the ruler running along the top of your document. That's where you'll set your tab stops. Click directly on the ruler where you want your text to align. When you click, you'll see options for left, center, or right tab stops. Choose left if you want the text to start at that spot and run to the right. Choose center if you want the text centered on that position, which is great for titles or section labels. Choose right if you want the text to end at that point. Perfect for aligning things like page numbers or prices against a clean edge. Once you've placed a tab stop, a small blue marker appears on the ruler. If you need to remove it, click and drag that blue marker straight down off the ruler and let go. It will disappear and the stop is deleted. If you just want to fine-tune the position, click and slide the marker left or right along the ruler until your alignment looks just right. Take your time here. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how tidy your document appears. Now, to use your custom tab stops. Place your cursor at the beginning of a line and press the tab key on your keyboard. Your text will jump to the next tab stop you've set on the ruler. If you've added multiple stops across the line, each press of the tab key moves the cursor to the next one. If you already have text typed out, you can click at the start of that line and press tab to send it to your chosen position. For several lines that should align the same way. Apply the same tab stops and press tab at the start of each line for consistent results. A quick tip: if your text doesn't land where you expected, glance at the ruler to confirm the tab stop is exactly where you want it. Then slide the marker slightly and try again. Consistency across lines will make headings, labels, and values look professional and easy to scan. That's all there is to it. Click the ruler to choose left, center, or right tab stops. Drag the blue marker to remove or reposition and press tab to align your text cleanly. Thanks for watching.